Here is how to configure the book a meeting component on your DIY website. So this is how it looks when it's being configured, and it allows users to book a meeting with you if you're the site owner, and that meeting will go into your Google's calendar. Like user can select date, time, punch the name in the email, and once that's been done, a new meeting will be created within the site owner's calendar over here with details and Zoom URL. But let's see how we can configure that. As a site owner, I'm already logged into my DIY website, and I have that admin button on top because I'm an admin. Then I will log into my admin panel and I will create a new page. And I will select, say it, meet with me, something like that. This is the page title. Let's just leave it like that. And then there is a component that can be placed on the page, book a meeting. If you don't see the component over here, then you have to enable it. The way to enable it is go to site options, find a book a meeting down there, enable using that button, then sign in with Google, and then sign in with Zoom in case you want to attach Zoom meeting URLs to when a new user schedules an appointment with you. Like, this is not mandatory. This is mandatory, the Google part. Now, if you've done all these, you will see the connected accounts down below, and then we can use them to configure the component on the page. So I'll go back to my page. And I will add the component over here. Then I will say meet with me over here. This will be the event name that will appear in your Google Calendar. And then I will select the Google connection over here, and it's the same connection that I've showed you within site options that you have to connect your account. Then I will select the slot duration. So at the moment available is 30 minutes and 1 hour. That will create a time slot for 30 minutes for a brief consultation, or 1 hour, depends on what your needs are. Then there is another slider here that says allow users to book between 10 o'clock and 17 or 5 p.m. If you want to control that, you can say, no, I don't want users to book meetings within that time slot. It could be between 9 and 13. So this will create available time slots between 9 and 13 then. I'll leave it all the way to 17. Then it's your time zone. And then if you want to use Zoom and attach Zoom URLs to your meetings, you can enable that functionality, clicking on that button, and also select your Zoom connection. Save, publish the page, get the URL to that page, like that. And now the page is officially on my website, and the users can use it to book a meeting with me.